Look at this. We need to simplify this. The joy here is the base. Same. Good. It means now they can reconcile. They can come back together before the division. If you have not watched my first video on logarithm, go and watch it. There are some things I said there I will not say here, in order not to repeat myself. Okay? Now, if I come to this place now, if this and this want to reconcile, I take this, I say 27 over 4 divided by 9 over 8. What is this? If I want to, okay, let me not change it to multiplication yet. Then this one means multiply by 1 over 24. Okay? I want to ask you, what is the meaning of this? This also means multiply by 8 over 9. Flip. Multiply by 1 over 24. Then we divide. Here 1, here 2. Here 1, here 3. This and this is 6. This is 6. 6 here 1, 6 here 4. Therefore, we have log to the base of 2, 1 over 4. What is the meaning of this in terms of 2? It means 1 over 2 raised to power 2. What is the meaning of 1 over? Indices. It means minus, raised to power minus. So we introduce raised to power minus 2. This minus is from here. Okay? So this, and 3. So this guy is qualified to come to the back. Okay, becomes like this. Remember the law. This and this, because they are the same, produce 1. This is 1. Therefore, minus 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to minus 2. So this is the answer. Okay? Hope you understand this. Very simple. As long as what? You can apply what you have learned.